Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 411. Sketched below is the graph of h of x. The asymptotes of h intersect at the point where the x coordinate is 1 and the y coordinate is 2. So this is the point here, which is 1, 2. Write down the value of p and q. We get the value of p and q from the graph. Right, remember that the vertical asymptote, that's where we get the value of p, and then from the horizontal asymptote, that's where we get the value of q. The horizontal asymptote, y is equal to 2, on the vertical asymptote, x is equal to 1. If x is 1 on the graph, on the equation, p is going to be negative 1. If x is negative 1 on the graph, then on the equation p is going to be positive 1. But q will maintain the sign of the y value there. So q is going to be positive 2. We are asked to find the value of p and q. P is equal to negative 1 and q is equal to 2.